students, welcome to the class. It's our phonic class and today we will learn about double E sounding words. In our previous class we learned about double up to double O sounds. We have learned up to double O sound. Today we will learn double E sound. So double E sounds E. It's a long sounding word. E. And what are the words? First we can write here tree. It's a double O sounding word, right? Tree. It's also double E sounding word and it is also double E sounding word. I said double O. My mistake. Or another word we can write sweet. Sweet. Right? Sweet is also have double E. Or we can write seed. Every fruit have seeds. So seed. We can write deep. The pond is very deep. Deep. We can write sweep. Sweep means swipe away the floor. That is sweep. We can write feed. Right? We can write feed. We can write bee also. Bee. And bee lives in a beehive. Beehive. Beehive also. Because bee lives in a beehive. So bee and beehive. These are also double E sounding words. So these are few words which have double E in it. Right? So if I say to you that write 5 words with double E sounds, you can write from these. So these are double E sounds. Now look at your book. Look at your book. See here. Here is a tree. This is green. So another word we can write here is green. Green is also a double E sounding word. Tree is green. Beehive on the tree. See, beehive is here. Tree is here. Lots of sweets. Sweets is also here. Feed the hen. Feed, that means to give it, to let them eat. Feed the hen. It is feed the hen. Peel the bananas. Peel, you can write peel also. What is peel? Peel, that means to remove the peel of a fruit. That is peeling. Peel. The banana. Seeds on the ground. Seeds on the ground. The well is deep. Well is deep. A broom to sweep with. A broom to sweep with. So this page you will learn at your home. You will read it very carefully. Okay? Thank you for watching.